now more than ever, everybody needs that sense of community, because that's who we are. We're meant to be unified. We're meant to be sovereign. And it's our divine right to get that, to return, to remember who we are. And we all do remember. Sometimes we forget. I know I forget a lot. And we have the power to influence that in every moment. Be that living example. And essentially that's where the documentary wants to go. It's an avenue for us to create a pathway for our tribe and live our dreams and be heroes, be figures of what we would want ourselves to be looking up to and inspire other people. I love you all. It feels so good to have a community of people like yourselves.